I'm Autumn. I'm a personal trainer here at the Rec Center, and today we're coming at you with another Trainer Tip Tuesday. The topic is progressive overload. So it's really important to constantly be applying progressive overload to your workouts because you want to ensure that you're constantly challenging yourself in the gym. Progressive overload is essential to muscle growth. So today we're going to be going over 3 types of ways to apply progressive overload to your workout, and we're going to be using the dumbbell curl as an example. The 3 ways we're going to be going over are upping your weight, changing your tempo, or adding another rep or set to your exercise. So the first way to apply progressive overload is upping your weight. Let's say that you go to the gym and you curl a 10-pound dumbbell 10 times, but it gets really easy. What you can do is go up in your weight and pick up a 15-pound dumbbell opposed to the 10-pound dumbbell, and then do the same thing that you did before. So the second way to apply progressive overload is changing your tempo. Let's say you typically curl a 10-pound dumbbell and it gets pretty easy, but you're not ready to move on to a 15-pound dumbbell. What you can do is, instead of going at your normal pace of curling, you can go down much slower. So on the eccentric portion, rather than just dropping the weight, hold it for a few more seconds longer than you typically would do before. So a third way to apply progressive overload is to add another rep or another set to your workout. So let's say you typically curl a 10-pound dumbbell 10 times for 3 sets. What you can do is, instead of doing this 10 times, you can do it 12 times or 15 times, or you can continue to do it 10 times but add an extra set at the end. So instead of doing 3 sets of 10, you can do 4 sets of 10. If you have any questions, you can email us at fitness@shsu.edu, or you can visit our website for more information.